Hello everybody, as you can see today I am going to work on my farm. As you can see I have a kudal. So here I would say one thing, I don't know what this is called in English, but in my mother tongue I call it kudal, but English I don't know. If you know, please let us know in the comment below. And I am going to show you a little tour of my farm, right? So as you can see now I am going with my sister, but she doesn't want to reveal her face. So actually I am going to show you nearby places. As you can see, so who is working on his, I don't know what this is called in English. So as you can see, this is a waste material, you can say, of my farm. So that is why I have to fire it. So as you can see my nearby village looking like this. So let's turn the front. So actually I don't know what will I am gonna show you during this video, but and even as you know I don't know how to speak fluent English. So that is why I try to make videos so that I can improve my fluency, right? Because when I try to speak to somebody on a call, so I feel stumble. So that is why I choose the path to improve my English, right? So that is why you please don't think that I am, how can I explain, but होता है ना कि ऐसा मत सोचो कि यार तू बड़ा मतलब इंग्लिश बंदा हो गया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I am just doing this just to improve my fluency. And here I would say, here this is my farm, but here is nothing. But after some days I will put the maize on this field, right? But here is empty, you can say. So let's move away. Whatever I will get to see, I will show you, right? So now as you can see, this is my nearby village. I don't know you love it or not, but here is a boy. So guys, this is a guy who is my brother. Actually he is my uncle's son. So he is a guy who doesn't love to read. So that is why his father asked him to work. So as you can see, he is working. So it's a pineapple farm, as you can see, and another guy is coming in front of me. So I have reached here. As you can see, it's another farm, like it's another corn farm. And as you can see, it's a baby plant, you can say, because it's not a long, because after some days I will show you when it's grown, then I will show you how it looks. After a couple of months I will show you again what looks like the baby it's mean baby matlab bachcha, right? So I can also use here baby plants, it means baby chota poda, right? Almost I have reached my farm, but it's not, it's my uncle's. So after some work I am going to reach. And there are also two people who is working on their field, as you can see. And actually he is my uncle. He's to my uncle and his son. Sanjit, तो कोदाली छोड़ रहे हमारे को लाइन जोड़ा क्या लगा तो शानी हाँ ए एक्स्ट्रा कोदाली चलानी क्या लगा कोई. Okay, so I have got my extra kudal because I also need, because as you can see we both need two kudal, and I have one, but one another need. So actually I don't know how to speak fluent, but yeah I try to speak as much as I can better, right? So finally you can see this is also my farm. As you can see, it's a potatoes farm, right? So as you can see, it's a baby plants, you can say. Going to turn the camera and you can see, and as you can see it's looking very good. I don't know how is it looking. I think it's a very good looking, like, and it's my bamboo jhari. I don't know how can I explain in English. Hey, poda luna dija le ja. So as you can see, so this kodale I am going to give it to her, and I am going to get another kudal, right? So now I am just walking on the alley. I don't know how to express in English, but I call it a alley. It's a alley and it's a farm. So as you can see, and there are two people working on his farm. So finally this is my another kudal. It is for me. So I take it to my hand and I put it in my, as you can see, and I have to do the same work. It's a guy, he's my uncle's guy, and he is working on his farm, and the same work I also have to do. So let's meet. So let's head to my own work, right? So I am going. So I am going down. Actually, it's not a way, but I am going to try. So finally I to my farm. As you can see, this is my farm and I am going to show you, right? So tomorrow I have done a work like, as you can see, मैंने कल यहाँ पे सारूर दिया था जैसा कि देख सकते हो. But here one thing I would say, I want to show you, I left a row. Like as you can see, I left a row. I mean I forget this row, so I regret. So why I forget it? So as you can see, it's a very lovely looking like. So I am going to next, and as you can see, it's my uncle's and it's mine. It's my uncle, it's mine. But here you can see another thing, that is a drain. That is a drain. You can see it's for water, right? It's for water harvesting. So as you can see, so actually tomorrow I also had done some little work, but anyhow today I have to finish. Anyhow, I don't know today I will able to finish it or not, but I will try. But as you can see, tomorrow I had done a little work. As you can see, the same work that I show you my uncle's farm, right? So I am going to switch it. I mean I am going to switch my kudal. Instead of change, you can use the word switch. It's mine. Like it's a big kudal, so that's why I prefer to work with it. And that was so small, and that is for my sister because he is small. Let's enjoy. So you can see how I work on my farm, right?
Yes.
So as you can see, it's like I have to do the same work. So by the way guys, as you can see, so give me my phone. So as you can see, I have done a row, and it's like I am going to do the work on my farm, right? So now let's turn the. So here I would like to say one thing, and now you might be wondering, Nakul, do you love working here? So I would say yes, I love working this kind of work, right? But here I would say one another thing, that if you talk about me, that why you no, if you talk about my parents, then if you talk about but if you ask my father and parents, then he will say no, Nakul doesn't love to work on farm. Then I will say here one thing, that I don't love to work on farm because I have a huge dream. So that is why I don't love, but otherwise I love working on here, right? So guys, but here one another thing I would say. So at the end I would say, do you enjoy watching this? So if yes guys, please let us know in the comment. If you really like it, this kind of video, I will try to upload more such kind of videos. So guys, that's all for today, and I hope you liked the video. If yes, please let us know in the comment below. And that's all for today. I will meet in another session. As you can see, the Kodali, this Kodali is not workable, so that is why I am going to switch it, right? Actually my uncle is going to have something, I mean going to eat something, so and I am going to get his Kudal. So actually I don't know how to speak fluent English because I stumble, and it's happened why, and I know why is it happened with me, because I don't have any environment so that I can practice with. So that is why it's happened with me, right? And initially whoever want to improve their English, it's happened with, I know, but that is why I choose the path to make videos. Here one thing I am going to show you. I turn the camera, and as you can see, after working some minutes, then he started playing Free Fire. So I am going to run fast because I don't have sufficient time. I don't have so much time to walking, right? So that is why I am going in a fast way. And finally I have reached to my destination, and this is a kudali that I need. What? Kuch bologi? So this is camera, and I pick up and I put it in my shoulder, and again I run fast. Oh, actually it's very dark on this farm, because if I run fast here, it can kill it. The baby plants can be killed, so that is why I am walking in a slow speed. So yes, finally I have reached my own farm, and I am going to switch it. Take this, and I am going to put it here. You keep staying here, and oh, it's mine actually. It's an older version that unused. That is unused. Finally, this farm is done, and move to the next. As you can see, this is next, and I think it's a very harder to work on it, but it would be easy because it's solved. It's normal. So I can't express actually. So but I just want to have rest a little more, and now I want to take rest because I tired by working so hard. So it's time to rest. But here I would say one thing to my sister. If you had, अगर आपने पानी लाया होता तो अभी मैं अपने प्यास बुझा सकता था, लेकिन मैं अभी क्या करूँ? If you had bring water, then I would have killed my thirsty. But what will I do now? So let's take a look around my farm. So now I am going to show you a huge corn farm on the camera. So as you can see, I am going to zoom it. As you can see, it's a huge farm, huge corn farm, right? And it's a baby corn, as you can see. If I try to show you closely, right? As you can see. So guys, finally I don't have completed the work. There is a little more is left to do, but in the evening I will destroy it. I mean, I will complete it. But right now, first of all, I would say my face is you can see what I have made my face just look like a ghost. So actually I am hungry, not just hungry, बल्कि starving. STRVING, starving, that means भूख से मरे जा रहा हूँ. I am starving, and now as you can see I am lying down on a cot or cot. So as you can see